خواتین آج پوری دنیا میں معاشی اور سماجی ترقی میں اہم کردار ادا کر رہی ہیں. مردوں کے برعکس کام کرنے والی خواتین کو اضافی مسائل کا سامنا ہوتا ہے، جیسے خاندانی زندگیوں میں توازن پیدا کرنا اور دیگر گھریلو مسائل وغیرہ. مگر تمام ذمہ داریوں کو ادا کرنے کے باوجود خواتین زندگی کے ہر شعبے میں اپنا لوہا منوا رہی ہیں. آج ہم آپ کو ملوانے والے ہیں ایک ایسی ہی خاتون سے جس نے ٹیک ورلڈ میں اپنی ایک الگ شناخت بنائی ہے. جی ہاں، حیدرآباد میں قائم MVE نامی کمپنی کی چیف مدھولا دیوبھکتونی سے. MVE پہلی ہندوستانی کمپنیوں میں سے ایک ہے جس نے شروع سے ہی آڈیو پروڈکٹس جیسے بلوٹوتھ، اسپیکر، ہیڈ فون اور ایئر بڈس وغیرہ کی تیاری شروع کی. حیدرآباد میں قائم MVE کی بنیاد 2015 میں مدھولا دیوبھکتونی اور ان کے شوہر شناخت نے رکھی تھی اور آج 1500 ملازمین اس کمپنی میں کام کر رہے ہیں.
آج کے دور میں خواتین دنیا کے ہر شعبے میں، ہر میدان میں آگے ہے. دنیا کا کوئی ایسا میدان نہیں، کوئی ایسا فیلڈ نہیں جہاں پر خواتین اپنے آپ کو ثابت کر چکی ہیں. آج ہمارے ساتھ ایک ایسی ہی بہت خاص مہمان جڑی ہوئی ہیں جنہوں نے ثابت کر دیا ہے کہ ٹیک ورلڈ صرف آدمیوں کی دنیا نہیں ہے. یہاں پر خواتین بھی راج کرتی ہیں اور بہت ہی اچھے سے. ہمارے ساتھ جڑی ہیں ایک بہت ہی خاص مہمان، مدھولا دیوبھکتونی. I really want to know, first of all, that how did you get into this field? What really inspired you? What really clicked when you were like the teenager girl who was maybe even just thinking which field I should choose for myself? So what really clicked and how did you get into this field?
So I actually wanted to get into business. It was a passion of mine since I was in my 8th grade. When I was in my 8th, I love computers, I love logic. So in my 8th grade, I said, I'm going to do my education and graduation in computers, then do my MBA because again, business has always been a passion of mine and eventually I'll get into business. I've decided at that age and I followed it through. The business was started by me and my husband, Vishwanath. So when we came back to India on one of our trips, we weren't able to get quality electronics at an affordable price in India. There were only two options available. Either it was an international brand for which we were paying 2.5 times the cost that we would pay in the US, or they were, at that time we used to call them smuggled goods, like very cheap, uncertified products. And we love tech. I come from a graduation, a degree in tech. So does my husband. So we felt this is the right space, would bring our strengths in and we could create something amazing. That's how we've started MVE.
Exactly, absolutely. And now you have created such a wonderful, this tech world where women are also getting platform and you are ruling it and inspiring people, inspiring me as well, everybody who's watching us. I also want to know that how has been the journey, if we talk about how Telangana government, they have initiatives, various initiatives where they help women entrepreneurs. How did that, help you?
See, the government has been very good with the initiatives. Telangana is one of the best states that is encouraging entrepreneurship to come here and set up, not just women entrepreneurship, but entrepreneurship as a whole. We have been asked several times, what is it that we need? We have been given the support for the infrastructural support that we need. The government is super encouraging, and we have it started after we started MVE, but the women's entrepreneurship department has also been super proactive in reaching out and saying what is it that we can do for you, in highlighting the good work that women around are doing.
What all should be done at the school level, college level to inspire young women?
See, firstly, schools and colleges should have a very strong entrepreneurship cell where they let the women, the girl and boys, to actually go and experience entrepreneurship, experience different fields, and not say study, get a job. Right? Because probably getting a job is not everybody's passion. We should open them up. Maybe there is an artist there is a singer there, somebody that's passionate about movies. We should expose them while studying that there are a lot of other options you guys can get into and help them figure out what is the right option for them.
تو اس ملاقات کے لیے مدھولا کے ہم بہت ہی شکر گزار ہیں. آداب.